Scooter Mutter Incorporated, together with Boomerang GPS Security. Installation Manual 4. GPS Beacon for Scooter. We begin by checking what fasteners and screws need to be removed to take apart front plastics and access wiring of the bike. Having gained access to the wiring harness and to the ignition lock switch, we trace the connector for the ignition lock. Using a multimeter, we ground the negative probe and check the connector with the positive probe. Our goal is to find the wire that gets 12 volts DC once the ignition lock is set to on. Boomerang's CycloTrack V2 is powered by internal battery. Device is recharged by a standard USB cord. Device needs a basic USB port to convert the supplied 12 volts DC to power the charging wire. Negative lead of the USB port is normally connected to ground, and the positive lead will be connected to the 12 VDC wire we found earlier. It is often a black wire. We usually pull a spot of coating to solder the connection and tape it up with electric tape. What we do next may be different bike to bike and depends on our and owner decision-making process. The idea is to find our best spot to mount the device so it can't be easily spotted, nor will it obstruct GPS signal. Seat compartment was removed to secure the tracker under plastic. Next, the Boomerang USB charge cord is sneaked inside the bike's fairing toward the front of the bike and plugged into USB that we wired earlier. Making sure that the cord stays connected to the tracker, adhesive is applied. Now, to wrap things up, we secure and zip tie the device and wiring. USB converter port up front gets bolted in place. All wires get neatly tied up and tucked away. The idea is to look good. Making all wires neat helps. That area is often broken into, and every wire should look stock, not to arouse thief suspicion. Everything should be the way it was. After things are back to normal look, we test connected wire once more and reassemble plastics and covers. We hope this video is helpful. Subscribe, like, and share. Boomerang helped us to get 2 bikes recovered. We now sleep better at night, knowing if any of our bikes get stolen or misused. We find it, a note. The device must be charged. We make sure bikes are on. Since our setup is to charge the device when ignition is on, which usually means the engine is producing power. There may be better solutions, but we know Boomerang works. Thanks again. Ride safe.